Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian kumba sauhos nem ba uway na ki Rio San Pertai ubala i bha karukam perkhat pertany haga san hima sima kumud khot ubala rim bha haga seng Kongres. U Dr. Didi Lapang haga khat lai terik mentau nailor arajar khat pra uni orang ba ula penbena ba ula mi no na ka seng Kongres. Haba penpau ya kadau jong kani ke jing i no ya kani ka seng. U Dr. Didi Lapang ula ong ba kani kam dei karai ne kamon jong u nrei ka dei ke jing penbor jong kinong yalam ko All India Congress Committee. Hagjing pelai kubor ya kini kebenta u Dr. Didi Lapang u balong menteri rangba barim ke jela bat u presiden barim ke MPCC ula penpau ba ulami daga mensim ke pasngukhia bat daga jing bembanse hadin ba ke AICC kala pha shong thait no ya kinong yalam bala rangba bat bala khamyao karta kabamut kamdan kamshu ya jing no senyang jongki laban kedau hang ni u Dr. Didi Lapang u balong menteri rangba ke jela hadu sansien kenti ularai ban nem ya khun ya election MLA kabala long mentau snam arjar khatpra bat ailat yo ba Meral Bonds em hagaba ula yo ru ya jingjok u Dr. Didi Lapang ula ya khun nungkong ya election MLA house nam khat khandai spa anyo puar bat job kum ukurtong shimet hagaba ya dei bat kani jing no u Dr. Lapang ya keseng Kongres nakaliang u Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba ke jela ulapan pau ke jing sngokhia bat kentok ru bagadai ke jing do nong ka bakrau ya keseng Kongres.
It is his decision that he has taken at individual level. So why he has done it and all, he has been very clear about it. But it is sad that a senior person like him had been treated in this manner and that he had to resign at this point. So I think he's a person who has dedicated himself not only to our state, obviously, but even to the own party, this Congress party, and it is sad to see that it had to come to this stage. So let us see, and let us. He will be active, he said, in politics and continue to be working for the people. So that's a very positive thing. It sends a very, very, wrong message to the people that people who have dedicated their lives to the state and to the party today are being treated in this manner. And his departure from the party is going to create a big vacuum. He was a very senior leader who understood the state, understood politics, understood about grassroots organization, and losing him, I think, is a big loss for the Congress party.
Haba benrap halor kani nakaliang u MLA ke pentorum kraru ubalong ru menteri ketenat ke koi ke khia jong sarkar jela uba AL hek ula ong baga jingmi no jong Dr. Didi Lapang kan khata bahai ke seng Kongres ha ke election MP but MDC ke ban salong house nem arajar khat khandai banwan
jingi jonga te kat ka rata jong balapang bomdan shu kunu ka banong menyele election ni Ngaung galong kai ke ba susi ya ke Congress Party bendesain kat balapang bala ai la ke jikim nam da Congress Party. Kata ke big blue dia ni je. Big blue kat balapang veteran udah ali founder jonga Congress ko Meghalaya. Founder Congress and the senior most jonga Congress ko Meghalaya. Da mau resign no ka party dan bomdan shu kanu ka ada ke political interest. Undang ban election room don shu don jele kanu election room don kam shu tinggi jingsan ke jengku ke biggest blow pada Congress in Meghalaya.